The whole of the Ghanaian team said they're only afraid of Olunga.
Rele timu ya bũrũri Harambee Stars erĩgĩrĩirwo gũthaka ngucanio na Ethiopia kiumia gĩũkĩte ya gwetha tigiti wa AFCON mwaka ũkĩte. Kĩama kĩa FKF maugĩte gũtirĩ mbeca cia kũrũgamĩrĩra mĩhang'o ĩno.
Just out of sheer pressure.
Kũringana na Nick Mwendo wa thirikari iheanĩte milioni 4 kũrĩa augĩte mathabu mao matirakinyanĩra.
On average, we are spending 15 million shillings whenever you see Harambee Stars play. As I speak to you, ladies and gentlemen, we do not have money to pay the players their allowances. We do not have money to pay the coaches their allowances and other logistics around Ethiopia. After this briefing, we shall go and see what we can do about it.
Kocha munene wa Stars Sebastian Minya uria utarihetwo gwa kahinda ka mieri 3 aheanite nginya tariki 15 mweri uyu wona aga kurihwo atige wira.
There's a way in which he wants to get a job done. It's a good job. He has put in writing and said, I need to be paid by 15th, all my monies. And I think that's the only issue. I think he's motivated to get a job done. I think he wants to get it done. If we meet our obligations, I think the coach is happy. Every time when we apply for these funds, the ministry is facing challenges. They're telling us that they are not adequately funded.
Hamwe na athaki aja aria magathaka ni Victor Wanyama, Michael Olunga na Ayub Timbe, Sebastian Minya akiuga no nginya mahote.
The crowd is here, the two teams now getting into the stadium.
Harĩ na metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV ĩrĩa kwa nĩ Ng'ang'a wa Nyokabi.